Hey there, artists! Get ready to draw a vampire bat with a giant head and big belly laugh. In this fun step-by-step lesson, I'll show you how to create a goofy bat that looks like he just heard the best joke ever. Grab your pencils, this is one bat that's more giggles than spooky. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. For this project, you'll need a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, a thin black marker, and a few crayons. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the free PDF step-by-step tutorial. Here's how you can make your own center guidelines on your paper. Place your ruler near the top and make a mark at 5.5 inches. Then do the same at the bottom of the paper. Then draw a line to connect those marks. After that, place your ruler vertically on one side and make a mark at 4.25 inches. Then do the same on the other side. When those are in place, line them up with the ruler. I like to hold it down with one hand and make a line through both with the other. This is just some advice to help you draw your own lines in case you haven't worked with a ruler too much before. Let's begin by drawing the right side of the bat head. It's going to be this tall and go down just below that line. After you have it planned, then draw a line that goes down and curves at the cheek and meets at that center line. When the right side is done, then make a plan for the left side and draw a line that goes down and curves at the cheek and comes to meet up in the middle again. Now we can add the ears at the top with two angled lines like this, and then connect them with a slightly curved line. The bat's mouth is open really wide. It starts all the way up here and then curves down towards the center. After you have one side done, then draw a matching curved line on the other side. We can finish the top of the mouth now with two slightly curved lines. Here's how you can draw a simple kind of cartoon style tongue. And then finish the mouth with two triangle fang teeth. Now if you draw two eyes like this, kind of squinty near the top of the head, it adds to the look that the bat is really laughing. The last thing to draw on the head are those two little triangle inside ear shapes. The body of the bat is pretty simple. It's going down this far. Draw one round side and then the other. The top of the wing is going to start here and go up this high and come down this low. So draw a line that curves up and then comes down. Draw two spaced out dots below and connect them with a scalloped line, one that goes up and comes down at each dot. The wing on the left side is drawn the same way, so draw a line that goes up and then comes down almost to the edge of the paper. Then draw two spaced out dots like you did on the right side and connect them with a scalloped line too. The bat feet can be pretty simple, just some curved shapes that have maybe a couple of toes to them. Finally, a couple of clouds in the background will show that our bat is up in the air. You can add a full moon or not, it's up to you. Then, when you're done adding any other details you might have thought of, get out a thin black marker and start going over all of those pencil lines. When the tracing is done, then check your drawing for any other pencil lines that might need to be erased. And now it's coloring time. I'm going to get out my black crayon for my bat. I need a little red for the tongue, and pink for the mouth and ears. Finally, I picked orange for my background color to create a kind of Halloween looking sunset. Okay, here's another look at my finished vampire bat drawing. I hope you learned that you can use simple shapes and expressive features to bring some character and humor to your artwork. Hey, if you enjoyed this lesson, then check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, where you'll find more tutorials, including one for a boy and a girl vampire. I hope you give those a try too, and I hope you keep on drawing. See you next time.